In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a Yelp review. By the end, you'll feel confident sharing clear, helpful feedback that others can use when deciding where to dine, shop, or book services. First, open the Yelp app on your phone. On the home screen, tap Login. Sign in with your existing account so your review is tied to your profile. Logging in ensures your review saves properly and lets you come back to see responses from the business or community reactions. Next, find the business you want to review. Use the search bar to type the place name as accurately as you can. If there are several locations, choose the exact one you visited so your review is relevant to people looking at that address. Tap the business to open its page where you'll see photos, hours, and other reviews. Now it's time to start your review. Tap Write a review on the business page. This opens the review composer where you'll choose a star rating and add your comments. It's designed to be straightforward so you can focus on what matters, your experience. Begin by selecting your star rating from 1 to 5. 1 star signals a very poor experience, and 5 stars indicates an excellent one. Aim to be fair and consistent. Think about service, quality, value, cleanliness, and accuracy. If parts of your visit were great and others weren't, choose the rating that best reflects the overall experience. Then write your review, keeping it simple and useful. Start with a quick summary of what brought you in, maybe a meal, a repair, or a special occasion. Share a few specifics, like what you ordered or what service you received, the timing, the staff interaction, and any standout details. Stick to facts, be honest, and keep your tone respectful. Short paragraphs and clear sentences make your review easier to read. Mention what went well, note anything that could be improved, and offer context so readers can understand why you felt the way you did. Before you finish, give it a quick proofread for clarity and typos. When you're happy with everything, tap Post Review. Your review will appear on the business's Yelp page, sometimes after a brief moderation period. That's it. Your perspective is now helping the community make better decisions. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, try writing a quick review for your last visit while it's fresh in your mind. Clear, constructive reviews make Yelp more valuable for everyone.